Boys and girls, we've been learning about big numbers lately. And remember, a few weeks ago, we learned about how tens and ones are used to make teen numbers like 13, 14, 15, 16. And we did a great job of working with those numbers. And so today, I want us to work with those teen numbers again. So today, you're going to use your 10 rods that I gave you and your beads, and then you're also going to use some numbers in a bag. You can write your numbers on the cards that I gave you in your supplies and just put them in a brown paper sack that you have at your home, and then use those. Or you can do something more fun if you've got something else with numbers on them and you want to put in a bag to use. I've got a bag of numbers today, and I'm going to pull out a number first. Let's see what I get. So I pulled out the number 17. And when I look at the number 17, I can see that it has 1 10 and 7 ones. So I'm going to use my 10 rod and my beads to build the number 17. So I use 1 10 and then I use 7 extra ones. So I have my 7 beads here to make the number 17. Now we're going to think about writing the number 17 and how we write that in a number sentence and an equation. And so I know that I'm going to begin with 10 because this has 10 beads. So my first number that I'm going to write is 10. 10 plus, well, there's 7 extra beads, so I write 7. 10 plus 7, and that equals 17. Now, I want you to notice something on the next equation. Something different is happening in this number sentence. If you'll look, I see the equal sign here. It's not over at the end of the sentence. It's here toward the beginning of the sentence. So what do you think this number sentence should start with? Well, this number sentence has to start with the answer. So this number sentence will start with 17. Now, 17 equals, well, what was 17 made from? 10 plus 7. Then we'll play this game again. So I'll draw out another number. This time I drew out the number 13. So you can see that 13 is made from 1 10 and 3 ones. So I've made the number 13 with 1 10, and then I have 3 extra beads, my 3 ones. So now I'm going to write my equations for 13. So 13 is made from 10, because we have 10 beads on our 10 rod, plus our 3 extra ones. 10 plus 3 equals 13. Now I'm going to write that equation again, but notice again, the equal sign is here. It doesn't matter which place the equal sign is. I just have to pay attention to where it is. So now I know this side begins with the answer, with the sum, and that is 13. And what is 13 made from? 10 plus 3. Now, I want you to complete this activity. You can use your whiteboard and your marker, and you can write your number sentences on there, or you have this page in your Seesaw that you can print out, and you can use it there. If you print it out, remember to take a picture of it. If you use your whiteboard, remember to take a picture of it. I want you to play this game at least 5 times, and then you can move on to the paper that we have to do on your Seesaw today.